In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter common assessment grades into Genesis. When you first log in, make sure you go to the gradebook section of Genesis. Then you can select the class where you'll be administering the assessment. On this page, you will see your roster. In my demo class, I only have one student here, and we need to create an assignment so we can link the assessment to it. So the easiest way to do that from this screen is to hover over the quick link section over here on the right and then click on Add Assignment. For teachers in grades 5 through 12 that have already been using Gradebook, you are going to fill out this assignment just like you would your normal assignments, and you just link the assessment to that. Teachers in grades K through 4 that have not used Gradebook before, there are some required fields you have to fill out. So in this case here, let's say that I'm going to make this, I'll call this Common Assessment 1. The column header, this is an important field because it's what will show in your gradebook in the column where you'll be entering the scores. So I'll give this a shorter name that's also relevant, so CA1. Again, this is up to you. Just make sure it's something that you can identify in the future as you are putting in multiple assessments over time. For category, again, teachers in grades 5 through 12, you're making this the same category you would make for the assignment, just as you normally would. K4 teachers that are not using Gradebook for anything other than common assessments, we recommend you just use the test category. For K4 teachers, the other items marked with the red asterisk for required fields, those are all just totally fine. Leave them as is. And the max possible score, we want to leave as 100. For the assessment field down here, and this is the new field that you need to fill out if it's a common assessment, there's a very long list in a drop-down menu right now. This list will actually even get bigger once we add the 16-17 assessments. This will be over 1,000 assessments long. So what Genesis has done for us is create a way to filter so we can choose from a smaller list. So if I click on the gear right here, this pops up and lets me apply filters. I recommend going first to the 5th one down and select the current school year. So again, right now I only have 15-16. You would select the 16-17 list. And then if you go back up to Data 1 field, you can select by level. So I'll just say this is going to be, let's say this is going to be a K4 assessment here. So I'll do K through 4 and I'll do Update Assessments. And now you'll see this list is only showing me K4 assessments that are currently in the system. I can filter this further. If I go back to the gear, I can say only show me math assessments and update assessments, and then I'll see, again, a smaller list that's all filtered. And we can go one further level here. Let's say this is for grade 4, and I'll update the assessments, and now you'll see I have even fewer to choose from. So we'll say this is the Unit 1, and then I would save this assignment. And then after the assessment is administered, and you're going to give it a grade. Again, the 5 teachers already know this. For K4 teachers, you'll have your roster listed right here on the gradebook, and then you'll have this column for the assessment where we called it CA1. And then you just click in this blank space here lined up with the student and click there, and you'll be able to enter the grades for your students. So from here, I can go down and I can hit tab, and when you have multiple students, it will go to the next one in the row, so you can fill out all of your scores very, very quickly. And when I'm done with that, I just do Save Grades, and you're all done. And that's how you can create assignments in Genesis and link them to common assessments.